Wrenchettes. Wrenchettes.
Guess what?
Hey, guys, the summer's back. Everybody happy, everybody good. And hello, we're going back to the junkyard.
Hey, yeah. Look where we are. In the Beamer without no gas. Hot damn.
Oh, look at the lights. Look at the lights.
Look, we are in the Beamer. We are officially again in summertime.
I officially have the Christmas tree.
Junkyard like squad. Just give me a like for this video because we're gonna go back to the junkyard. It's the best time of our lives. Well, in a car guru's lives.
Yeah, it's true.
Okay. And then the other. This guy. We're here in the junkyard. Let's have a moment of peace and silence for the infinity that is no longer with us. So we're here back from the junkyard with a full dust. We have some goodies over here. Yeah, full of tires. We're gonna clean them up now because I can't put this in my house all dirty, and I'm gonna be putting it in my house just because I'm not gonna do the tires today because you can see the nights coming down. Yeah, but these are the tires, Pirelli P4s. Staggered, and we got the pump right there, my tools, and some other goodies that I bought. Like this liner was super dirty, so I just bought it. This, a brand new, spanking new spare tire. Oh yeah, baby, you gotta have a spare tire. If you don't want to have a spare tire and something happens, it's gonna cost you more than 500 bucks. So yeah, I said this is very worth it. And that's why I got it. Brand new. It got dirt on it because I put it down on the floor, but it didn't have no speck of dust or dirt inside the car. So yeah, brand franking new. I bought this liner too, because this was full of oil, if you guys remember last time. So since I got the spare, I wanted to dampen the sounds, so I had to get it. Oh my god. And look what we found. Brand new, spanking new Civic 2018
On the junkyard.
tail lights. Look at that. In the junkyard. It was burned down to the ground except the back, and these were intact. So it would have been a fool to not let it, to not buy it and then like resell it, make some profit off of that. You know what I mean?
Anybody wants them? $50 each.
$50. Oh, I don't know how much it is, but yeah.
$50 each. Oh yeah.
rápido, rápido. Rápido, rápido. Dale, dale, dale. Ahora un bailecito de así.